In this video, we are going to review the assembly view importing within Visi. When importing data from other products, like a full mold or a full die assembly, the tree data may not perfectly be brought into Visi. Although, always not guaranteed on how you receive the data from a customer, in this video we will review strategies of how you can import the assembly tree data from the other software. We will start with the import translations. So if I go to File Open here, you will see that Visi supports many different types of translations, including native-based translations such as CATIA here. As you can see, it also supports DWG DXF, IGES, Inventor, NX files, Parasolid, your ProE Creo-based files, Solid Edge, SolidWorks, and even some generics translators such as step files and even STL. There are many other translators as well that are available within the import translation. In our example, we received a group of SolidWorks files from a customer. You see several solid part files, drawing files, and assembly files, all of which are supported within the Visi imports. When opening up the master file, it will recognize all of the associated parts. You will then receive import options which allow you to change settings of how you will import this file. These settings include healing, sewing, PMI data, and many more different import options. You can choose which ones are selected and which ones are not automatically. After the import, we notice that everything is on one layer within layer management of Visi. This makes it harder to navigate through the file, viewing specific details of the assembly. That's where the Assembly Manager comes into play. We will start with the parts list view. As you can see, this will actually show up with a list of all of the separate entities. You can select anything in the list and you'll see it highlight. Using the CAD view mode, you can select hidden entities. And this will make it so those are the only things that are visible. You can also do hide entities, which does an invert of those options. Next, we'll check out the assembly view. As you can see, when we right-click the assembly folder, you can select Create Layer Structure. This imported the tree structure base from SolidWorks into Visi, so that way you can use it as an organized structure. So we will go ahead and select the Create Layer Structure area, and as you can see, this will create your groups and your layer list automatically for each individual entity. So as you can see, it may not be 100% perfect, but there are ways of easily cleaning this up. So as you can see, here's all the individual layers that are created. We can also filter by the layer groups now. And inside of the layer structure, we now have an organized structure system. So you can subdivide things up by the core cavity in this case, and you can enable, disable specific layers as well. Right now with my structure the way it is, I can select remove lines, and I can remove the lines, automatically eliminating any extra spaces.